Welcome this video. Video title is Elevate Your Living Space, Home Decoration Craft Idea to Spark Creativity. Introducing Home is where the heart is, and what better a way to express yourself and create a warm, invite atmosphere than through craft, home decoration. Craft allow you to inflow your personally into even corner of your living space. Turn it into have that reference your unique style, whether you have seasoning, craft, or just start out those home decor craft idea will inspire you to unleash your create and transforming your home into a home. Hand paint plants pot. Bring living to your indoor plants by give those plants a mark over with hand plant design. Whether you often for simple geometric term or more you honor plant pot allow you to custom themes to sub your test. Not only will your plant throw into those personally pot, but your allow also become ice catch functional in and room. Upcycle well art get create will upcycle material to create one of a king away art from old newspaper art and magician to reclaimed wood and material showed those and only possibility for purple emerge into ice catch decode price less your impact rain will and see what unique create you can up will pass flower frame those the beauty of natural by create pass flower plants get flower and in growing for your gardening or load past pass theme between the paper of your hard book for a few weeks. Once you arrange the pass flower on paper or coat and frame theme stream price of pondering art that will add a pop of color to any room. handmade dream catchers. Add a well touch to your rugged room or necessary will handmade dream catches use embrace hope yacht build to craft theme employ sample of property and good luck here theme above your bed in craft to catch dream and necessary a place for night theme mages just concerts add a rustic touch to your home with Vedic jasmine, simple adult magic just to price of reclaim wood and modern theme on the wall to craft unique light fix the images of fling light or to cast away invite glowing in and room those seasoning and perfect for add embracing to choosy cotton or outdoor entertain area. Conclusion with a letter creating and some basic creating suppling you can transforming your living space into a personalization oasis that reflects your style and personally whether you're short up to resist a pamming or innovate your preferred home. Those home decoration, craft idea and sub to inspire you to guest creating and make your home turn feel like home. So roll up yourself great your material and less your impact solved as your embrace on the journey of craft home decor idea. Thank you watching this video.